Hello everyone. Welcome to Kenji's Travel to Japan. This channel is all about traveling to Japan, introduced by Japanese themselves. Today's theme is the how to use cash and credit card in Japan. I would like to explain about how to use of cash and credit cards or other monies. In many advanced countries, the use of credit cards is very high, partly due to concerns over counterfeit money. However, in Japan, while the ratio of cashless payments has been increasing recently, many stores still only accept cash payments. This explanation will cover Japan's payment methods. The current payment methods in Japan include cash and credit card payments, as well as unique Japanese methods like electronic money and QR code payments. Firstly, about cash, it is generally used in Japanese yen, although some stores and hotels in international airports accept major currencies, like US dollars, British pounds, and euros. Most shops in cities do not accept cash in any currency other than Japanese yen. Regarding credit cards, Visa and MasterCard are widely accepted, and American Express can be used in major stores, while Diners Club is accepted in larger shops and hotels. However, apart from duty-free shops at airports, transactions are generally in Japanese yen, and payment in foreign currencies is usually not accepted. Contactless payments like Visa Touch and PayWave are gradually becoming more common, although inserting a card and entering a PIN is still the major way. If you have a problem to talk in Japanese, do not worry. Showing a credit card and asking, "Card, okay?" is usually enough to confirm if a transaction can be made by card. Next, I'll explain about electronic money. Japan has its own unique electronic money systems. Among these, transport IC cards are available for use by international travelers. There are several types of public transport IC cards like Suica by Junior East, Pasmo, issued jointly by various private railways in East Japan, and Ikoka by Junior West. These cards are now mutually compatible, so any card can be used on junior lines, private railways, subways, and major buses nationwide. For example, entering through Narita or Haneda in East Japan would involve purchasing Suica or Pasmo, while entering through Kansai International Airport in West Japan would mean purchasing Ikoka. These IC cards are not limited to public transport, they can also be used for vending machines, convenience stores, and some shops and restaurants. An initial purchase of a card costs 2,000 yen, which includes a 1,500 yen load of electronic money, and the remaining 500 yen is a refundable deposit. Top-ups can be made in increments ranging from 500 yen to 10,000 yen, up to a maximum of 20,000 yen, at places like junior and private railway stations and convenience stores. Furthermore, JR East offers a Welcome Suica for international travelers, which does not require a deposit, sold only at Haneda International Airport. However, due to a shortage of magnetic chips, its issuance might be temporarily halted, including sales at Haneda Airport. In addition to physical IC cards, virtual cards like Mobile Suica can also be added to Apple Wallet on iPhones. After entering Japan, once you can switch your iPhone's region setting to Japan, select Suica from the Transit Card menu under Japan in Apple Wallet, and choose a credit card as the top-up method for easy recharge anywhere and anytime. When using transport IC cards, look for signs at store entrances or near cash registers saying, "Suica please," or "Suica Sukimasuka," means, "Can I use Suica card?" will suffice, and tapping the card on the reader will complete the payment. For vending machines that support IC cards, selecting the Transportation IC card icon or choosing Transportation IC, or Suica. Passmo, and then tapping the card will finalize the transaction. Regarding foreign currency exchange into yen, while cash exchanges are cheaper at banks than at airports or other exchange bureaus. Banks have limited operating hours from 0900 to 1500 on weekdays. Credit cards and debit cards often offer better rates at compatible ATMs. Found in post offices and convenience stores throughout Japan. By the way, Japanese banknotes will be changed on July 3, 2024. The new banknotes, as shown on the screen, will be available in 3 denominations: 1,000 yen, 5,000 yen, and 10,000 yen. Those visiting Japan after this July will be able to see the new currency. Moreover, those who possess old banknotes need not worry. In Japan, old banknotes can still be used for the foreseeable future. And it is also possible to exchange them for new ones at banks. By the way, Japanese banknotes will be changed on July 3, 2024. The new banknotes, as shown on the screen, will be available in 3 denominations: 1,000 yen, 5,000 yen, and 10,000 yen. Those visiting Japan after this July will be able to see the new currency. Moreover, those who possess old banknotes need not worry. In Japan, old banknotes can still be used for the foreseeable future. And it is also possible to exchange them for new ones at banks. I've introduced various aspects of money use in Japan in this explanation. I will be uploading various information on this channel, so please take a look. Also, to not miss any useful future information, please subscribe to the channel. Additionally, if you have any questions about traveling in Japan or have specific information requests, please post them in the comments section.